numerologist, as I said. So how to get the ancient wisdom for modern success. So I am Dr. Roma Girish. I am an astrologer, numerologist and a Vastu consultant. I am a Guinness World Record holder in 2022. I am Jyotish Pravin, Jyotish Visharad. So these are all my achievements. Coming back, what is numerology? Just giving you a brief about what is numerology. It is an ancient wisdom that reveals how numbers influence human life, whether it is destiny as well as the personal energy. Rather than going into just the theory part, let's directly get into the numbers. Whether it is astrology or numerology, it is 1 to 9. So if we understand basically the numbers 1 to 9, you will be able to get a glimpse like how numbers actually affect us. Like for example, number 1 represents sun. In case, may I know how many of you here are born in number 1? Okay, number 1 or 10 or born in 19, so whichever adds up to. Okay, so if you see there, so they are born leaders. Sorry. So those who is born in number 1 date of birth, they are born leaders, innovators and achievements. These are something which is already inbuilt. Okay, or in case you are not born in number 1 also, the best thing is always have your mobile number. If you have at least 1 or 2 numbers of number 1, it will always give you the energy of number 1, which is sun. Okay, in case you are having too many 2s in your mobile number, 2 represents moon, Chandra, so it will make a person very emotional. Okay, so emotional, intuitive, sensitive, but yeah, 2s are very good. Especially you get good actors in this. Rajesh Khanna or Shah Rukh Khan, because they can emote emotions very well. Okay, so every number has positives, every number has negatives. I wouldn't say that. Now all the numbers, whichever date of birth you are born with, has positives and negatives. We only try to make our positives more. We try to increase or get the triads of those numbers. If you are born at 3, how many of you are 3 year, meaning born in 3, 12, 21, 30? Okay, in case you are born in that number, you are naturally a guru, because 3 is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is a guru, so you would be that. Okay, so most of them would be either a very good as an advisor, as a counselor, as a teacher. So most of you will find if you have Jupiter, if you are born in Jupiter, or in case your mobile number also has too many 3s. Anybody whose mobile number has too many 3s? No? Okay, good. Okay, because 3 gives good education, 3 gives good knowledge. In case for children, when we have to give any mobile number to children, because nowadays mobile has become like important even for children having it. In case they are children, we always give this 3-7-7 combination, which will help them get more focus with respect to studies. But that doesn't hold good for when they go into the professional life, because when we go into the professional life, the 2 important numbers, when we want money, business, the 2 numbers is Mercury and Venus, 5 and 6 combination, which is very important. Okay, those who are here are into business, ensure that you have at least 1 time 5 or 1 time 6 in your mobile number. Multiple times, fine. In case you do not have, I would suggest please do have, because these are the numbers which attract money. In case you are born in 5, 14, 23, you are born to do business, and you will see you will find a lot of millionaires and billionaires in 5 and 6 bonds. Okay, most of the 6, Shukra, it again tells about Shukra tells about luxury, comfort, everything. You see most of the celebrities again coming to that point. Okay, this is not an educational slot, so I'll just try to go with what all I deal with. So I do give a personal mobile numerology consultation. Again, it is designed for entrepreneurs, professional public speakers. So the personal mobile, mainly I would always recommend a single number rather than having 2 numbers, because even in mobile, the first part of your mobile number tells about your personal life. The second part of your mobile number tells about professional. So whenever I am giving a consultation, I see to it that 1 number gives you both personal as well as professional success. Many going for the business mobile number because they will not be using it. Either they will be giving to the assist to be handling it. So there are different numbers which we give that. And because when it comes to business, we always ensure that there is a lot of incoming calls coming in. The business success or conversion should be there. So again, that numbers are different for each one, and also it will depend upon what kind of business you are doing, because every number has certain, like if you're, whether you are in education industry, whether you are in manufacturing industry, all the numbers are different. So it does not apply, you cannot apply the same number for everybody. And do connect with me for the business mobile numerology. I do give a free reading, so do connect with me for the same. House name numerology, even your house name, which name, sometimes what happens, we cannot change the house number. In case it is coming in 4, adding up to 4, like if it is 922, which adds up to 4, or 13, say 4, or an 8, you cannot change the numbers, but at least we ensure, 4 and 8, it's not that it's a bad number, it only says that the things are slow in that house. Okay, it goes a little slow because Saturn is the slowest moving planet in our solar system, so things happen slow. So to compensate that, we can always use a good house name, just like we use child's name, or your business name, everything. Even your house can also be given a good name. Like start with a good name and then your door number. Okay, whether it is Kamadhenu and then you write 922. Okay, so that way we do a lot of things so that we balance, because house number we cannot change, right? And the house number consultation, if your house number is 8, or every number, which number you have to activate will be telling you that. Apartment or flat number, which number to be taken, which not to be taken, because when you are investing such a big amount, because flat and it comes to crores. So please do take a consultation before you invest in a new house, because even that house can attract a lot of, because whenever it is house, the house numbers are different, for business numbers are different. Like if you are buying a shop, we give more importance to 5 and 6. But when it is home, we don't give that much importance, because home is where you want that peace or relaxation, where you want the bonding, emotional bonding to be there. So yeah, each number is different, whether it is for your vehicle number or whether it is flat or apartment. Even your bank account number, very, very important. Okay, if your bank account number is in good numbers, if you have good numbers in it, then only it attracts money. Okay, so I do help with that also. Bike number consultation, bike again very important, or the car number. Your vehicle plays a very important role wherever you have to go. Very important, it's because that is what helps you in attracting money also. You are using both for personal as well as professional purposes. So I would always recommend, whenever you are investing, especially on car or a bike, though they charge extra for your customized numbers, but do take it. Take a good numbers, because that can create good wealth energy, good prosperity and success for you. About marriage, partner numerology, this whenever I'm doing for the marriage consultancy, it will be both astrologically and numerologically, both are very important to be seen. Again, marriage, you will be spending so much, but do have an astrology or the numerological consultation, very important, because it is for a lifetime. Okay. Yeah, so marriage compatibility, and this one, business name numerology, again business name, very, very important, because that is the name. Just like a child is given a name, you are also giving a name to your business, and it should be very good. Okay, a number, for everybody it is different, meaning for a 3 number person, when we say a 3 number person, meaning born in 12, 30 or 21, for them we would always suggest to take 5 or suggest to take a number of 1. It is because that will help them to grow in success. Okay, there are different numbers for each one which will give them the maximum benefit, and for each one it is different. So a detailed consultation is important while you are taking a business name. And most of the business name I have seen, most of them do good when it is placed with A. When it starts with an A or it starts with a V, are good. We are one. It is surely going to go up. Okay. So whether it is career, job guidance, financial planning, when is the time good time to invest. For the product name numerology, again, it's not just the business. Even in your business, you will have various products. For that also, which product name has to be kept. Site and the plot number, office or the shop number, basically everything. So baby name, crafting of the baby names. We do even the name correction, even if the name is given. In case we have to change the name, just by adding A or I wherever possible, we do that. Especially when it comes to business, you would have been running that for particular lot of years. So if you want a change, that also we do. So there is name and spelling correction, education numerology, health and wellness, crystal recommendation. There's a lot of crystals I will be showing it to you. There is a yantra recommendation, event planning and timing. Okay, numerological success stories. There are a lot of success stories that I have. So once you change it, how it is going to help. There is client testimonials. Okay. Right. So there have been a lot of changes once you make a lot of. So the collaboration and partnerships that we have been doing, we are doing in collaboration with the health practitioners or real estate developers as well as this one. Marriage bureaus, I mean, connect with them, business consultants and brand agencies. So a lot of it. And I have this mobile numerology webinar which is coming up on Saturday 13th of June, where I will be telling about each number, every date of birth of the mobile number, what you are carrying. So this will be in depth. From 1 to 9, all the numbers covered in this in detail, and also I'll be teaching about the best combinations for health, wealth and relationship as well. Yeah, this is the free mobile numerology that I offer. So you do connect with me to get a powerful remedy tailored to your date of birth. So including your date of birth. These are all my awards.
Question and answer.
Sorry?
Question and answer.
Question answers. Yes, yes.
Please come to first slide.
Question and okay. So millionaires don't use astrology, but billionaires do.
No, business lot.
Because when you want to go to the higher
Education
level,
slot
you
is
require
over.
astrology. Okay, why astrology and numerology matter in the 21st century? For everything it matters. And I do give
Education
free.
slot was laughter yoga.
It's available worldwide. The online consultation is available. Do connect with me for the same. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. The first slide. Sir, too many slides are there, so we'll have to go back.
Wait. Ramesh sir is doing it.
The
This
next one, next slide, next slide, next slide.
Okay.
Here.
Ah.
Yes. Yes, which number are
Zero
you?
is not there.
Zero does not have any value, but it increases. Like 1 के बगल में अगर 0 आ गया, the person who is born in 1 and you have a 0 there, 10, born in 10, he would have an extra power of 1. Meaning it just enhances the power of 0. Whether it is in your mobile number also, 5 के बगल में 0, meaning 5 has become 50 times. 0 wherever it adds, it just multiplies it. Does not have any value, but
I
yeah.
can't find zero here, so I thought to ask.
Okay, no, it is 1 to 9. 0 adds wherever it is, yes. Thank you.
Correct.